Come forward, witness.
Hello, detective.
I understand you were there when the organ napper kidnapped our structure.
Yes, sir, but I couldn't see what structure he took.
Then how will you help me?
I know so much about the respiratory system, especially about the different structures and their functions.
Go on.
I even brought my best friend.
Is he another witness?
Oh no, he's my respiratory system model.
Creeps come here all the time.
The respiratory system works mainly with the circulatory system to supply the body with oxygen and get rid of the carbon dioxide. This is how we breathe.
Well, I'm pretty sure any fifth grader knows this. Please go on.
There are many structures within the system. I am going to start with the nasal cavity. When we inhale, air goes through the nasal cavity inside the mucus traps any bacteria or particles. The cilia brushes back and forth and the mucus is swallowed or spat out. The air in the nasal cavity is also warmed and moistened.
I don't think the nasal cavity is the structure that's missing, but please go on.
Next is the pharynx and the larynx. The pharynx or throat is shared with the digestive system and the respiratory system. The pharynx allows air to go through. The larynx or the voice box, with the help of the epiglottis, which is like a floppy thingy, stops food from going in.
Interesting. Tell me more about the structure.
The trachea is the main tube that carries air to the lungs. The trachea eventually divides into the bronchi, the two tubes that lead into each lung. When the air reaches the lung, it is moist and it's warm.
Now for the most important part.
The lungs, my favorite part. Inside the lung, the bronchi subdivides repeatedly to create tiny little bronchial tubes. At the end of each tube is an alveolus. In the plural, the alveolus is an alveoli. In an alveolus, oxygen is given to the capillaries and carbon dioxide is taken from the capillaries. Oxygen is taken and carbon dioxide is removed. For our last structure, the diaphragm, which is right here, detective, when we inhale, the respiratory muscles, which is the diaphragm, and the intercostal muscles, they contract. And when we exhale, they relax.
So, do you have any more information, witness?
Just one more thing. Once air has filled the lungs, oxygen goes to the cells, and the cells all release carbon dioxide. This is respiration.
Thank you very much. I appreciate the information you've shared with me.
No problem, detective.
The witness said something about oxygen coming in and carbon dioxide removed.